Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to show scene video marker on the VLC application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the More button next to under the playlist option at the left side on the screen and go to the settings button. Scroll down and in the extra settings section you can find the first option, the interface. In the video section you can find the first option, the show scene video marker. Mark video as seen when you play it until the end. And if you want to enable, just click to the square icon and new this function is displayed. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.